Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be looking at FUBO. We're going to do some technical analysis over on it. So what are key supports we're paying attention to? We can see 195 key support, definitely something I'm paying attention to, because not only did we break back above this level, we came back to test it as a support and it's held, but we are now kind of getting this double top. So what I'd really be paying attention to is, right now it looks more likely that we come back down to 195, we test this support, if it can hold, then I'll be looking for that break and kind of wouldn't be unlikely to see kind of a continuation back up. But if we do break it again, we're looking for the same kind of thing, just to the other direction. That's a breakthrough, come back to retest it as a resistance, and if that holds, then again obviously flipping more bearish on it, and we would expecting targets to around 120 to around 110. But really, if we're pushing down to these kind of lows, not something I'm going to kind of just try and buy and hold, because again, it's more of a gamble, that kind of strategy. It works kind of does till it doesn't. So not something I'm paying too much attention to if it pushes to the downside. Really, the main trading opportunities for me on something like FUBO would be if we continue to the upside. Obviously, we have another level at 275, 260 is at, oh sorry, 360. Is that once we start to break to these upper deviations, these are the main ones I'm looking at, and kind of like how I like to trade the majority of small caps, and that's more short bias, because again, when they tend to pop, tends to be short-lived, so it tends to just be a better opportunity, at least for how I trade, to capitalize on these temporary pumps. So if we pushed up to 360, that would be my first short bias location. If we break through that, 440 will be that next one. We also have one at $6, $5.25, and final one's pushing us out to $8.25 and $10.60. So that is the breakdown on FUBO. Overall, again, for me, depending on how, it's always going to depend on your own trading strategy, but my edge will come if this stock pushes to the upside from 360 and above their short bias levels. Really, that's the only way I'll be looking to trade this on a short bias way. But we do obviously have supports at 120, 110, probably not going to be something I touch, because again, there's just not as much edge for me to be trading that direction. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on FUBO. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.